Welcome to Inner Peace channel. Today we are going to talk about criticisms of Reconstructivism in education. Criticisms of Reconstructionism in education often center on fears of indoctrination, the potential for overwhelming students with societal problems, and the unrealistic expectation that schools can solve deep-seated societal issues. Critics argue it prioritizes social activism over core academic skills, risks politicizing the classroom, and lacks clear practical implementation methods. Criticisms of Reconstructivism in education, risks of indoctrination and bias. Reconstructivists are criticized for turning classrooms into platforms for social activism, potentially leading to ideological bias. Teachers might promote their own political ideologies, leading to one-sided perspectives rather than critical thinking. This can turn the classroom into a tool for pushing specific social or political agendas. Neglect of academic basics. Critics argue that by prioritizing social issues, experiential learning, and community action, the curriculum may neglect essential foundational skills, traditional subject matter, and standardized knowledge. Impracticality and utopianism. Critics and progressive educators often view Reconstructivists as idealistic reformers whose grand visions for societal change are difficult to translate into practical daily classroom instruction. Superficial analysis. Some critics argue that the analysis of complex social problems within this framework can be superficial or shallow. Politicization of education. Many feel that schools should remain to some extent neutral spaces for learning, and that the overly political take-a-stand approach of Reconstructivism divides communities. Lack of structure and assessment. Because Reconstructivism focuses on adaptable context-driven projects, it lacks the standardization often required for fair assessment and consistent curriculum implementation. Overemphasis on social over individual. While aiming to balance both, some critics argue it can overemphasize the collective or societal needs at the expense of individual student development and unique potential. Thanks for watching.